I would like to welcome everyone for joining me today's presentation on the North City Pure Water Facility and Pump Station Project. My name is Anthony Van, and I am the city's project manager for this project. Just a quick background on slide 2 here. Currently, the department is implementing phase 1 of the Pure Water program that will deliver an annual average flow of 30 million gallons per day of purified water into the city's Miramar Reservoir. The city has already completed the early site work package 1, mass grading and clearing at the Pure Water site, with the anticipation to begin construction of the full-scale facility in spring of 2021. The Pure Water facility will be constructed north of Eastgate Mall Road across from the existing water reclamation plants. The completed facility will provide the city with a production capacity of 34 million gallons per day, which 30 million gallons of the purified water will be delivered to the Miramar Reservoir. This facility will include an operation and maintenance building, process facility that will house the ozone generation and contactor, biological active carbon filters, membrane filtration system, reverse osmosis, ultraviolet disinfection and advanced oxidation process, chemical feed system, and associated site work that involves yard piping, electrical and instrumentations and control. In addition, there will be a 32.8 MGD capacity booster conveyance pump station for delivery of the treated pure water. And they include 4 1,000 horsepower vertical turbine pumps and motors, construction of a reinforced concrete building with PVC roof that will house all of the required equipment. This slide provides an overall site view of the Pure Water facility. Within the Eastgate Mall Road, you will see a number of underground utilities and piping that will cross between the North City water reclamation plants and the Pure Water facility. There will be an effort required as part of the underground utility coordinations that involve with SDG&E gas relocation and electrical meter service installation. There are existing AT&T duct bank that runs parallel to Caltrans fence on the west side of the project site, as well as coordination with Empower, Spectrum, Cox Communications Agency within the project vicinity. This project will have specific milestone, constraints, testing, integration, and startup during the commissioning phase. Commissioning is a complex process which will require treatment process be commissioned individually and then tested and operate concurrently with the other North City water projects. And finally, we'll have an installation of art sculpture near the facility entrance, which will require coordination with the artist team and their subcontractor to ensure a seamless process. For major equipment and material, this slide will summarize the major equipment to be provided for this project, but note this is not an all-inclusive list, as there are other pieces of equipment which need to be installed. The highlighted major equipments include ozone generator system, biological active carbon filters, reverse osmosis systems, membrane filtrations, and UV advanced oxidation system, where the pre-selection agreements have been entered between the city and individual suppliers. There will be pumps and piping appurtenances for both the Pure Water facility and the pump stations, with on-site security that will be issued to the winning bid, and an art sculpture that will be fabricated by others, which the general contractor will assist with the installation. As for the schedule and cost, the city anticipates to advertise for bids in the coming weeks, with construction notice receipt issued sometime in March of 2021. The current estimate construction cost for this project is approximately $430 million. Please note this estimate is subject to change. So this concludes my presentation, and thank you all for your interest in the Pure Water program.